Centralized user management. One of the primary functionalities of user access management software is centralized user management. It provides a single platform to manage all the user accounts, eliminating the need to manage them individually on different systems. This central platform enables the IT team to streamline user provisioning, deprovisioning, and manage user roles and permissions efficiently. User provisioning. User provisioning involves creating and setting up user accounts, including assigning roles and permissions. User access management software makes this process easier and faster by automating it, reducing manual effort and errors. User deprovisioning. User deprovisioning refers to the removal of user accounts when employees leave the organization or change roles. User access management software enables IT teams to quickly deprovision user accounts, reducing the risk of security breaches. Role-based access control. Another important functionality of user access management software is role-based access control, RBAC. RBAC assigns specific roles and permissions to users, allowing them to access only the information and resources they need to perform their job. This helps organizations maintain a strict security policy, reducing the risk of data breaches. Role creation. Role creation allows IT teams to define user roles and assign specific permissions and access levels. This makes it easier for organizations to manage user access, ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive information. Permission management. Permission management is the process of assigning and managing the permissions of users. User access management software enables IT teams to easily manage user permissions, ensuring that only authorized users can access the necessary information and resources. Authentication and authorization. User access management software provides robust authentication and authorization features that ensure secure access to sensitive information. Multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide multiple forms of authentication, such as a password and a security token. User access management software integrates MFA, providing an added layer of security for sensitive information. Single sign-on. Single sign-on (SSO) enables users to access multiple applications and systems with a single set of login credentials, reducing the time and effort spent on logging into each system individually. User access management software integrates SSO, providing a seamless and secure user experience. User access management software provides a centralized platform for managing user accounts, role-based access control, authentication, and authorization. These functionalities enable organizations to improve the security of sensitive information and provide a seamless user experience. By using user access management software, organizations can ensure that their data is secure, controlled, and accessible only to authorized users.